world is changing faster than ever. AI is replacing jobs. Automation is rewriting entire industries. And the ultra wealthy are already positioning themselves to own the future. While the average person fears job loss, billionaires are using AI to build wealth on an unimaginable scale. Today, I am breaking down the billionaire blueprint for AI and automation, how the elite invest, control, and dominate the future of wealth creation. If you don't understand this shift, you risk being left behind. But if you do, you can position yourself to own the next era of capitalism. Now, this isn't just another industrial revolution. This is the birth of an entirely new economic system. Let's note the key economic shifts. In the past, wealth was built by owning land, the agricultural age, then by controlling factories, the industrial age, then by investing in networks and information, the digital age. Now, the next wealth explosion belongs to those who own AI-driven automation systems. The question isn't, will AI change the world? The question is, who will own the AI that changes the world? Let's see where billionaires are investing in AI right now. AI-driven business models, that is autonomous businesses, companies run by AI with minimal human input, AI-powered consulting, data-driven decision-making services, algorithmic trading and investment firms, AI that beats human traders, AI and automation in manufacturing and supply chains, robotic warehouses. Alibaba and Amazon are using AI to dominate logistics, self-optimizing factories, Tesla's AI-powered production lines, automated food and retail, AI-driven fast food chains are eliminating human labor. The AI arms race in big tech and startups, OpenAI, Google, DeepMind, and Microsoft which they are pouring billions in AI research, AI for medicine and drug discovery, the next trillion-dollar biotech revolution, AI-generated content and creativity. Well, I know that's a lot of AIs, but if you aren't investing in AI, you are missing out on the greatest economic shift of our time. Now, how are billionaires using AI to control markets? AI-driven trading firms, as I said, billionaires use AI to analyze markets and execute trades in milliseconds. Predictive analytics and market manipulation. AI can predict market movements before they happen. And here, as a future center billionaire, I am doing my part by leading SentinelPredict, AI that predicts space and defense asset failures before they strike. AI-generated news and sentiment analysis that is controlling narratives to influence investment. Data, they say, is the new oil, and AI is the machine that extracts and refines it. Let's look at how AI is replacing human labor and what that means for you. AI is eliminating repetitive jobs. Millions of jobs are being automated. Creative industries aren't safe in either. AI is now writing scripts, making art, and even producing music. The rise of AI-powered freelancing. Those who use AI will replace those who don't. The workforce of the future isn't human, it is AI. The question is, will you own the AI or will it own you? Most importantly, how can you profit from the AI and automation boom? Learn AI and automation. Even if you are not a programmer, you don't need to build AI, you need to understand its impact. Learn how AI is reshaping your industry and position yourself accordingly. Invest in AI-driven companies and ETFs. Identify companies at the forefront of AI development. Look at AI ETFs and stocks before the masses catch on. Or you can be an early investor of SentinelPredict. A Calendly link is in the description. Reach out to have an investment discussion with me. Build AI augmented businesses. Use AI tools to scale faster, reduce cost, and complete tasks. If you are an entrepreneur, your edge is in leveraging AI before your competitors do. Follow the billionaire playbook. Billionaires aren't just betting on AI, they are controlling its development and regulation. understand how they invest, how they influence policy, and where they are placing their capital. The future belongs to those who act now. The rest, well, they will be left behind by algorithms. If you want to stay ahead of the AI wealth revolution, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and comment below. What AI trend do you think will create the next generation of billionaires?